Hey guys, Papa Rums here, 19 degrees, last day of PA rifle season, and I'm going way in, heavy pack. Weighed it last night 68 pounds, and I'm hoping to pack out at least hopefully one deer. Need to get some meat. Have not hunted. I think I hunted one day in the rain. So it's 19 degrees, it's supposed to be a high of like 34, but I'm wearing like legit spandex, and I've been hiking now for an hour and 15 minutes and I'm still not even at the halfway mark. I should get there by just right at sunrise. Not doing a ton of filming. PA, they do a lot of deer drives, and that's fine, but it changes the habit of the deer and it puts them in these thick swamps and stuff. So either you got to get far away from them to find them and pack them out, or you just got to get lucky. I got my new pack here. Really comfortable, still heavy but comfortable. And I took out the old deer slayer over there, the Pump 3006, with the new Leopold scope. Just looking to do some fast shooting, far shooting, the ridge I'll be on. Good. Oh man, today must be my lucky day. I just got getting close to the ridges and I see the ground all scuffed up here. I couldn't tell if there was a fight going on, but I can see the ground is all ripped up here. Look at that. They're already dropping antlers. Holy cow. That's fresh as can be, man. Wow. Well, there's one buck I probably won't get. Crazy, I wasn't here a week ago. That's awesome. Hours later. Okay, I'm gonna set up shop right here. I have a feeling the thick stuff is where they're gonna come out. Three does just came in, probably 120 yards out, and the way they were going, I wasn't going to be able to get a good shot. So they ended up cutting across pretty good. Two went back. One went that way. She said when I punched the first one, I'm pretty sure I hit her hard. I think. But she was the biggest one. I was able to get the most meat out of her if I get her. I'm gonna just wait. My adrenaline's going. It's crazy. It's like my second time out in the woods this year. I'm having a freaking good time. It'd be great if I could get some meat. I'd be so happy right now. I'm just gonna chill out and then I'll go down there and check it out if I got her or not. So I was all the way up there. I think I shot right next to that double V. She should be out. I think I had another doe looking at me. I'd let her go. I didn't want to back out too much. I got her. What's crazy is I couldn't find any blood on her, and I started questioning myself, should I have shot the other doe, but I know she came this way. I gotta figure this out. I knew I hit her, I could see her jump, but I don't understand what happened. But God, it's just a nice big doe. I'm happy about that. I'm gonna go back up, get my pack, get my tag her, and then start working her up. Right, well, got my heavy pack on, and I'm gonna be going down. I'm gonna quarter this deer up, take my time with it. Probably not gonna film that, just because just packing out a deer, quartering it up. I've done it before on video, but it's a cold day. 19 degrees, everything was frozen, and found a good spot back here where I had a feeling I'd be able to find some meat. But it looks good for buck sign too back here for next year. Man, that is a big buck rub. Holy wow. Whoa, that's a big one. It's a really good buck rub. Well, I'll have to get out early next year and do some homework with cameras. And gotta find my deer. Got my new Leopold scope and my new F1 frame here. I'm gonna try it out. So hit her right in the heart, opened up her whole bottom of her cavity. Ran 30 yards, flipped right over. Big old doe. I'm gonna get working here. Got a decent amount of work ahead of me. Figure out how to manipulate it on there without being one way or the other too much, and I'll probably pack out closer to the road. I got like 3.5 miles to go to get in back to the truck, so maybe about the last mile I might try to set up for a buck for the evening. But all right, got the F1 frame right there. Everly stock Vapor 7500, massive pack. Meat's all quartered up and cooled, chilling. Got the heart, the liver. Somehow I shot like right in between the heart and the armpit, and it just, everything fell out. It was like a perfect shot, minus all the blood stayed in the cavity. So gonna have to take care of that when I get home. But other than that, got all the meat. I got some in the bag over there already. We're gonna drop it on this frame. Gonna have to pack it out of here. It's gonna be a hell of a haul, that's for sure. Well, got my tag on the deer. Got everything on one pack, and this was a big doe. I'll be honest, when I just lifted it, it's got to be over 120, 130 pound pack easy. Being I already had 67 pounds. I don't know if I'll be able to handle it. I just got to go up a mountain and then about 3 miles out. So I hope I don't have to unload half of it halfway down, or I hope I can even make it out of here. But we'll see. A hell of a lot of weight. Not sure this is such a good idea. Jesus. Padding's comfortable at least. Alright, let's see what happens. I think I can do it actually. This pack is insane compared to what I used to have. The last one actually ripped. Okay, I won't be back here. Alright, let's get out of here. Looking for the most direct route. And this is some serious weight. Back where it started. That should be the last hill. Now I'm at the peak, and then I drop into a basin and I work my way through swamps and bogs, streams, and then I'll start coming out and gaining elevation again towards the end. So I'm gonna take a rock here, have a seat, and then I'll try to find breaks in between, because this is like, I guarantee I got 175 pounds here. That doe was huge. If I had 65, she's got to be every bit of 140, 150. So, and mine is what, 30? How'd we get 180,000 pounds? Let's push it. It's hard. This is crazy. Determination. Just getting it done right now. And for those of you that might say, hey, why'd you keep the bone in? Because I want to age it, and for aging it's easier and better to let it hang, and it'll be a better aging process. Plus I have to pull the hair off easier. So that's why. Hill over there, oh, the highest mountain at the way bottom. I don't know how I kept myself up. I wanted to go do this tomorrow too, over in New York. Let's see if my back's up to it. Here's what's real sickening. I just saw a tail flicker, I thought, and I pulled the gun up thinking if it was a buck I was still gonna shoot it. Drop this load off, come back and do it all over again. Why? Okay. Sun's starting to go down, and I'm still hiking out for another half hour left. Won't do this for a doe ever again. Crazy.